everyone! Welcome to Philippines Home and Garden! Hello, good morning everybody! So today is Saturday here in the Philippines and today is a yard work day for me. As you can see, it's all cleared up and in front of me is my sweet potato tops and also this eggshells. So this is actually from my previous sweet potatoes and I will show you what's the use of these eggshells later. So for the meantime, let's start digging for holes for our sweet potatoes. Ta-da! There are still some leftovers from the previous sweet potatoes I had. But this one I'll just leave it there. That will still regrow. So right now we have 10 holes. So let's fill them up. Somebody can't live without me. Yes, Mocha. You wanna say hi? Mocha is a little bit injured from yesterday's accident. I don't even know if he got hit or he got into fight. So yes, this is my dog Mocha. Say hi to everybody. Hello everybody. Alright, let's proceed. Alright, so our hole is ready. We can grab 2 top stem or whatever you call this. This is from my old, my previous sweet potato. So we'll grab this one and that one. But before that, we have to get our magic secret for a plenty harvest. Crush that eggshells there. Let's see, 3. And then, first, stock there. Next one, the other pair, you cross it that way. Yeah. That's how you do it. Yeah, that's how I plant my sweet potato with my secret eggshells. Do not bury the whole thing. Just okay. Okay, mission accomplished. Here's my sweet potatoes. Thank you for watching everyone, and I will see you in 3 months for the harvest time.